to read your blood percentage oxygen, you must wear your Garmin Tactix or Garmin Fenix on your wrist, and then go down into the widget and reach the pulse ox. That's a pulse ox for Friday. It was of 95%. But if you don't have that widget, you press and hold the menu button, you go down to add widget, and then you find the blood oxygen one. So once you select it, you just wait, and they're gonna say measuring just right here, and you just wait and keep still, like it said. It may take maybe 30 seconds to 1 minute, and you're gonna have the result at the end. So actually it's 97%. And that's it. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.